In our today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the immunity. What we are going to discuss is the immunity. Do you heard about this term previously?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Defense mechanism of our body.
It is a defense mechanism of our body. Good. Tell me anything more about the immunity. What do you know about the immunity? Yes? Any idea? Immunity? Yes? You?
It helps us to fight against pathogenic organisms.
Yes. So immunity basically help us to fight against the pathogenic microorganism. Good. Anything else? WBC is present in the immunity. Yes. Anything else? This much only you know. You have the same brain size what I have. 1400 cc brain. You also have a 1400 cc brain. The weight wise 1 kg 400 gram brain I have. You also have the 1.4 kg brain. Then why you know less and I know more? Think about the immunity and think about the disease and now give me the answer. There is a disease, there is the immune system. What is the relation? Yes?
There are two types of
There are 2 types of immunity.
immunity.
Can you name them?
Innate immunity and other.
Innate immunity and
Acquired immunity.
acquired immunity. Very good. Anything else? Last bench? Last bench? No? Nothing, no? Simply coming, eating, sleeping, smiling, drinking water, and gali dena. This is not good idea, yes. Anything else? You brother? Do you know anything about the immunity? Fine. Now I am going to tell you what I know about the immunity. Okay? So immunity, as she said, that it is basically the ability. It's the ability of our body to resist the action of microorganism. To resist the action of microorganism. It is basically a ability. What it is? It is a ability of our body to resist the action of yes, pathogens. Fine. What it means? It means whatever microorganism is in this, you can say, the planet, and they comes and interact with us, okay? This immune system basically fight with those upcoming microorganisms, okay? The thing which you have to remember about this immunity is that this is the terminology. The immunity word is a terminology, and it denotes that our ability to fight with the microorganism, to resist the microorganism action. Yes? Now, it is not only meant for the microorganism. Whatever things which is not ours, okay, they are gonna fight with all those things. Suppose you inhaled some gas. That is not a microorganism, no. You inhaled some poisonous gas accidentally, but still you have the immune, you can see your immune system will trigger. Fine? Or else, if you eat something which is like not palatable things, suppose what you can say, you eat, unfortunately, you know about the detergent powder. Yes. You unfortunately you eaten. That also basically activate the immune system. Now, when I saying activation of immune system, this line activation of immune system, it means that whenever anything external comes which is not desirable for us, जो हमारे लिए जरूरी नहीं है, okay, जो हमारे लिए जरूरी नहीं है, our immune system will trigger, and whenever our immune system will trigger, they are start fighting with the any undesirable things, and this fight generate a response. That is called as the immune response. So basically, immune response is, you can say, a type of response which will generate when our immune system will fight with any kind of foreign particles. Now, foreign particles can be bacteria, it can be virus, it can be fungi, it can be anything which is not desired for us, like the chalk piece even. If you are allergic with the chalk piece, then also you inhale the chalk, you can say powder, you will have the immune response. Are you getting my points? Yes? Everyone last bench? Yes? Fine. And what is immunity? It is the ability, like pathogenicity is the ability of bacteria or pathogen to cause a disease. In the same way, immunity is the ability of a humans. Yeah, immunity is the ability of a human to encounter the pathogens. But my friends, this immunity is not limited to the humans only. Yes, the immune system or this immunity, the capability is not only limited to the humans. It is also present in the dog. It is also present in the cat. Yes? Yes? So virtually most of the primates, they have the immune system. Which basically helping them to survive properly or survive in a healthier way. Yes? Yes? Now, this is about the immunity. Coming to the immune system. Yes? Immune system. Now we have the defense system in our body. All these systems basically helping us to work properly, to interact properly, to eat properly, digest properly, smile properly. Yes? Smile properly. Now the thing is, starting with your higher system, that is your nervous system. Your nervous system basically help you to channelize your cognitive process effectively. Means you can think in a good way. If your brain is healthy, if your nervous system is healthy, you can think better. Yes, you can understand someone's better. Yeah, you can recall the things better. Yes, you can store the information in a better way. Are you getting my points? It is your nervous system, the central nervous system, or you can say where are you? Focus here. Yes, so that is called as the central nervous system. Now, central nervous system need energy. So our digestive system is like energy provider. They are a energy provider. So whatever food we are eating, that change into the energy form, and that energy goes to the brain. This is the function of digestive system, and the brain function done. Now, in order to break down the food, we need the oxygen, so our respiratory system is helping. Fine. Now, whatever excretory material, undesirable material is, you can say, formed after the digestion or during the digestion, that should be eliminated out from our body, and that is done by the excretory system. Are you getting my points? So there are all these systems. Fine. They are working properly. But there must be one, you can say, security guard. No, if this is institutions, all teachers is coming, students is coming, they are doing their business, everything, they are doing their work. Okay, but there should be someone who can monitor कि बाहर से कोई अंदर नहीं आ जाए. Yes, that is your immune system. Your immune system basically protecting all the rest of the system. This immune system is also present in your brain, because every part. Okay, most of your body parts do have the immune system. some possesses different immune cells, okay, different enzymes which is acting like a, you can say basically the immune soldiers. Getting the point? Yes. So what is immune system? Immune system is basically it's a large system, okay, which protect all rest of the system from the foreign particles and pathogens. Clear? Yes. Immunity clear. Immune system clear, immune response clear. Now, this all story, this is studied under one separate branch. These all stories that how our body is basically defending against the pathogens or foreign particles, fine. What are the responses generated? What are the cells which is involved in the immunity, fine. And what are the diseases which basically affect the immune cells? Okay, so these all stories is you can say separately studied under the one branch, and that is called as the immunology. Write it down. That is called as the immunology. Fine. It is a basically branch of medicine which encompasses how our body basically behave when pathogens comes, any foreign particles comes, okay, and what are the responses which are generated during that interaction between the immune cells and the pathogens, fine. Now we do have the various sub branches, but that is not for our concern, so we'll not understand. Like there is called as reproductive immunology. Like according to the system, as I said, nervous system do need the immune cells. So the immunology, which basically specifically study about the immune system in the brain, that is called as the neuroimmunology. Reproductive immunology, okay, GIT immunology, immunogenomics. There are various branches, but no need to study. Yes. Now, the another thing which you have to understand is that this immune system is designed to execute their function rapid and specific. As soon as any foreign particles, any bacteria, viruses, whatever, they are coming inside our body, they are immediately going to active. Fine. Now, when they are going to active, they will interact with the foreign particles and generate a response that is called as the immune response. Fine? Yes? Fine? Now, so the thing which you have to understand, it is a rapid and specific. Why I am saying it is specific? Because as we discussed that there are so many types of microorganisms and so many types of foreign particles, fine. When they are coming, our immune system is like selective. It is a selective. One type of cell goes to destroy the one, you can say the foreign particles. Another type of cells goes to the destroy to the another type of cells. Like the war, जब कोई युद्ध होता है, then in युद्ध there are some who are going to basically पायलट जो कि एयरक्राफ्ट उड़ाता है, ठीक है. कुछ सोल्जर्स होते हैं जो कि टैंक पे बैठे होते हैं, कुछ सोल्जर्स होते हैं जो बंकर्स में बैठे होते हैं. द मेन पर्पस इज कि इनेमी को हराना है. द मेन पर्पस इज इनेमी को हराना है. बट थिंक द वर्क इज डिफरेंट. वैसे ही सोल्जर्स हमारे बॉडी में प्रेजेंट है, वैसे ही डिफरेंट सोल्जर्स जो स्पेशलाइज्ड है डिफरेंट वर्क के लिए, वो हमारे बॉडी में प्रेजेंट है और वो अपने अपने हथियार के साथ युद्ध करते हैं, फाइट करते हैं. Yes? You understanding? No? Hindi no understanding. You? Understanding? Okay. Fine. So it is a rapid and specific. Now, another thing which you have to keep in your mind about the immunity is that this immune system, you see, like how you will know कि अगर तुम्हारे कॉलेज में कोई नया बंदा आता है, कोई नया लोग आता है, how you will differentiate? If someone new stranger is coming in your campus, how you will recognize them? Yes? How you will recognize them? By?
Face.
By face. Okay, by face. This face comes from where? Like तुम्हें पता है कि ये face यहाँ पे पहले नहीं था. कैसे? Because you have the memory. You have the memory. कि तुम जितना लोग यहाँ पे आते जाते हैं, that memory you have. All the pictorial, you can say all the images is stored in your specific part in your brain. Fine. So you are able to differentiate कि कौन मेरा है. I mean like कौन इस कैंपस में like regularly आता है, कौन नहीं आता है. And on that basis you can differentiate that someone is a stranger and someone is like familiar. Fine. In the same way, immune cells do perform this same thing. Immune system do perform the same thing. Immune system do have the memory, and they are master. They are master in the art of differentiating, self versus non-self. Self versus non-self. Who is my own and who is not my own? This discriminations is well performed by the immune system. They are able to recognize that who is my own cell and who is the pathogens. It means that this immune system, they will not harm our own cell. But of course they will harm the foreign particles. Are you getting my points? पहला बात कि उसके पास पहचानने की एबिलिटी है. दे कैन रिकॉग्नाइज कि कौन मेरा अपना है, कौन मेरा अपना नहीं है. दैट इज द मेन फंडामेंटल फंक्शन ऑफ द इम्यून सिस्टम. एंड द थिंग इज कि अगर उसके पास ये सेंस ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि कौन मेरा अपना है, कौन मेरा अपना नहीं, तो जो उसका अपना सेल है उससे वो प्रोटेक्ट करेगा. व्हेनेवर दे आर गोइंग टू मेक अ फाइट, सी अगर दो हाथी लड़ाई करते हैं तो नुकसान किसका होगा? Yes? Yeah, any other answer? If two elephants will fight, who will get the loss? Yes? Any good answer? उसके नीचे का जमीन का, वो तो फाइट करेगा लेकिन उसके नीचे का जो जमीन है उसका नुकसान होगा. Isn't it? Yes? Yes. In the same way, when our immune cell, okay, and the pathogen will fight, तो सफर जो करना पड़ रहा है वो है अंडरलाइंग अदर बॉडी पार्ट्स को. फाइन. तो इम्यून सिस्टम के पास इतना इंटेलिजेंस होना चाहिए कि उसको वो हार्म नहीं करे, उसको वो प्रोटेक्ट करे, एंड इन टर्न वो पैथोजेंस के साथ फाइट करे. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? द थिंग व्हिच आई वांट टू like hammer in your mind is that the immune system is able to differentiate between the self and non-self. Whenever any undesired or foreign things comes in our body, there will be a generation of immune response. Okay, and our immune system is rapid and specific. They encounter the microbes, and they do have the memory. Clear? Yes. Now we'll move ahead and discuss about the classification of immunity. Till here you have any doubt? Any question you want to ask? Yes? Any question you want to ask? No? Fine, we'll move ahead. Yes?
हाँ सर.
Fine.